Okay, guys, Scotty and Cardi here with let me share. This is a quick video, guys. Quick one, guys. This is the MD. You see, 8000.1. All right, guys. The problem with this amplifier, this is our explain repair. I already repaired it, so I'm gonna tell you what I did, guys. So this, come on, it comes on, guys. Like you hook it up, it will play, but if you turn it up, it it goes into protection mode. Whenever you're trying to put more port, it goes into protection mode. And sometimes you will switch it on and it just eventually go to protection mode. We don't sometimes it will play the audio. But guys, the problem with that, guys, let me show you a little trick, guys. One, two, this driver MOSFET, guys. Before you switch your amplifier on with no load on it, don't put the speaker wires on it. Put the fingers on it and these like this across them. Then you switch the amplifier on. As I said, with no load on it, no signal, nothing. And the amplifier will run even longer for a while. And then you will feel one of them getting hot more than the other one. In this case, it was this one, but I changed both of them. And that's it, guys. That fixed the problem right away. But this, yes, this SI, SI8244B, BB, yeah. Yeah, they like that. So that's the problem with this. And I was playing this one a lot just now, and see, they're really cool. So yeah, anytime you have one like that where you switch on, just switch on the amplifier. If you don't have any load on it, it shouldn't get hot that quick. So yeah, something is definitely wrong. But yes, guys, this is just a little quick fix. So let you guys know, without changing the MOSFET. When you check on every MOSFET is okay and everything like that, and it does something like that, don't be alarmed. If you come up in protection mode, sometimes when you check the MOSFET, everything is okay, and you check everything is okay, and power supply is okay, everything. These driver MOSFET, guys, yeah, check these little thing here. They will throw you off. Yeah, protection mode, yeah, they're good with it. I realized not that long ago, it's that I could do this. This is the whole little whole way of where we used to do it back in Jamaica. We used to do this a lot of chip and stuff to realize, or if something lead to it is overheating. But with these, if you find one overheating, definitely guys replace it, cause yeah, it's bad. If you don't have any load on the amplifier, there's no way it should be overheating and pulling a lot of amperage and stuff like that. So yeah, that's another little, you know, quick fix, you guys, just to find out the way when these bad, yeah, they normally overheat when they're bad. I'm not saying all the time, but most of the time, what I notice, yeah, I normally do this with them, and yeah, so that's a little thing I didn't share with you guys. Sorry, guys, I'm sharing it now. That's a way I figure out. A lot of time when they're bad. I just realized I didn't make a video of one of them, doing that. So you just put your fingers on these two driver must with these SI chip, and anyone if it's the SI or if it's the IRS, 29.5, 6S or the IRS 29.57S or it's the IRS 29.2S. Yeah, any one of them, you just do this, guys, when you switch it on. If mostly if your amplifier is going into protection mode, yeah, and that will, you will figure out if, you know, they're bad or not. Not saying in most cases it happen, guys, but in most cases that I deal with these, that's the way I test them to know if one of them is bad. Just to let you guys know, all right? Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. And just to show you, this amplifier is up and running. Let me give you a switch it on real quick, see if you guys can see the light. It's gonna appear right down here, the blue light. All right, guys, as you see it, it's up here right there, and the fan is on, and the blue light is there. Yeah, no protection mode, guys. No protection mode, as you can see the light right there. All right, guys, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and Cardi, what for now, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, definitely yes, guys. That's it. Everything is good to go now. All right. All right. That's it, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and carry out for now, guys. And I said, enough respect. Just give you a little view of this amplifier circuit. Yeah, pretty beautiful, eh? Yes, guys. I like to see amplifier guts. I don't know why. That's just me. All right, guys. Please like, subscribe. As I said, enough respect. Cardi out for now.